2 forks for eating Korean fried chicken. So, we got, what is this? Garlic soy fried chicken. Let me turn on the damn light. God. We got ourselves some garlic soy fried chicken. And some honey, what is it? Sweet and spicy fried chicken. But more importantly, we got a Carlton Draft. Fresh from the bottle store. I'm gonna crack this one open and eat some fried chicken. She's drinking the Kirin Hyoketsu new pineapple flavor. How was it?
Very good, dude. Do you want to try it or would that ruin everything?
I drink beer.
It's got the real pineapple juice, so it actually does taste like pineapple.
Look at that. Look at the size of this bad boy. Big old long neck. Cheers. It's good. Very good. And what's the lid say? What animals are studied by...
It's got a joke in it.
By hippologists.
Hippopotamuses.
Hippopotamuses?
Yeah? No?
No.
Oh,
Horses.
I see where they tried to trick me.
Yep, that's a trick question. Yeah. The Carlton's very good. This is actually my first time trying the draft. Or drought, whatever. I usually just drink Carlton dry. The blue one. This has got a much more stronger flavour to it, but pretty similar. Oh, let's try this fried chicken. Yum.
Very best. So good for a white lady.
Yeah, the Koreans really know how to cook this up good. Double thumbs up. Delicious.
Mukbang.
Mukbang. I had the sweet and spicy one last time. Very good, very saucy. Thought I'd go for this one this time. Bit more like on the plainer side, but still very good. Love myself a bit of garlic. Little Korean dildos. That's like the sauce down there.
I want to watch my show now.
Alright guys, we have to go and watch our show. So, it was nice knowing you. I'm gonna finish this beer off.
What?
Wait, how much liters is actually 750 ml?
Just gonna finish this off.
Ah, delicious. It's just something I'd definitely go back for. Anyway, peace out.